passive income can really offset your W-2 income and allow you to quit your job entirely. And that's the goal for many of our investors, what we've already seen a few of them do.
Hey everyone, today we'll be talking about the fundamental aspect of passive income. Drew, how can investors get their money to work for them?
Yeah, David, the major goal of being a limited partner in real estate syndications is passive income. That is making your money work for you so you're not working so hard with your money. Through investments in like real estate, you are essentially passing off the work, active part of investing, to the syndicators, and in exchange, you're getting monthly or quarterly distributions.
So which side is better for investors, the active side or the passive side?
Yeah, it really just depends upon what you're looking for. So the passive side allows you to not have to do any work. Instead, use your time, your day job, or with the hobbies or with your family, the things that you're more passionate about. Once you've built up a big enough investment in investments, that passive income can really offset your W-2 income and allow you to quit your job entirely. And that's the goal for many of our investors, what we've already seen a few of them do.
All right, thanks so much, Drew. In order to learn a little bit more about the benefits of passive investing, please don't hesitate to schedule a call with me by visiting nighthawkequity.com/join. Thanks so much, and we'll catch you on the next video.